In this video, we'll look into a common question that many clients ask when they come for my hypnotherapy sessions. They ask something about dream and what does it mean to have recurring dreams? So this is the common question. So have you ever been woken up repetitively from the same dream, wondering about its significance? Recurring dreams can be both intriguing and unsettling. I was one asked by this client who keeps dreaming about a past relationship on how she can stop these recurring dreams. While I can't provide definitive answers, but I'll share insights based on my experiences and understanding of dream interpretation from the experience I've gained from my client sessions. So remember, dreams are highly personal and multiple interpretations are possible here. Dreams are a captivating realm of the subconscious mind. By understanding their meanings, we can unlock valuable insights into our inner self and address any underlying concerns. So this video is for anyone curious about dreams or seeking guidance on how to navigate recurring dreams. Whether you are just intrigued by dreams or looking for practical steps or tips, let's look deeper into this. So the first question is, what are recurring dreams? Recurring dreams are dreams that repeat themselves with little variation in their story or themes. These dreams can occur over a period of days, weeks, months, or even years. The recurring dreams are dreams that actually stand out from the usual dreams, random dreams that we experience. They often carry strong emotions, whether it's fear, anxiety, joy, making them hard to forget. Dreams are believed to be a manifestation of the subconscious mind, and the content of the subconscious mind can sometimes bubble up, like surfacing unexpectedly in dreams. And most of the recurring dreams are in a negative loop, negative dreams, fear, anxiety, or even like a nightmare kind of dream. Sigmund Freud believed that dreams are a way for the unconscious mind to express thoughts, desires, and motivations. He also believed that the unconscious mind is largely inaccessible, but can sometimes bubble up into the conscious mind as in a form of dreams. While Carl Jung believed that dreams are a manifestation of personal beliefs and the subconscious mind beliefs also. And dreams are an honest portrayal of who we are. Psychoanalytical theory, neuroscience, and psychological models supports the idea that dreams reflect the unconscious desires. And during sleep, the brain continues to process and experience various emotions from day, and often in a symbolic form. Images in dreams can represent underlying thoughts and feelings. Recurring dream about a person or event may indicate unresolved issues, emotional attachments, or significant life transitions. So why do recurring dreams happen? Recurring dreams can be interesting and very confusing for many people. By examining the reasons behind them, you can uncover insights into your subconscious mind and address any underlying issues that might be at play. So let's look at some possible reasons why this happens. 1. Unresolved issues. Recurring dreams often arise from unresolved issues in your life. Your subconscious mind tries to bring attention to these issues through repeated dreams, hoping you will address them. 2. Emotional stress. Stress and anxiety are significant triggers for recurring dreams. So when you are under stress, your mind processes these informations or emotions during sleep, leading to dreams that reflect your waking concerns. 3. Trauma. Past trauma can manifest as recurring dreams. These dreams can be a way for your mind to process and come in terms with traumatic events, especially if they have not been fully addressed. 4. Repressed emotions. Sometimes emotions that have been repressed or not fully dealt with can cause recurring dreams. These dreams serve as a reminder from your subconscious mind that you need to acknowledge and work through these feelings. 5. Life transitions. Significant changes or transitions in your life, such as moving to a new place, new job, or even ending a very difficult traumatic relationship, can trigger recurring dreams. These dreams may reflect the uncertainty and challenges associated with adapting to new circumstances. 6. Habitual thoughts. Persistent thoughts and worries that dominate your daily life can carry over into your dreams, leading to recurring themes. So if you're constantly thinking about certain issues of fear, or your mind may continue to process them during sleep, and this results the recurring dreams. The next question is, how do you stop having these recurring dreams? Recurring dreams can be very disruptive and unsettling, so it's important to find ways to reduce them or eliminate them totally. So here are some strategies to stop recurring dreams. Address underlying issues. One of the most effective ways to stop recurring dreams is to address the underlying issue that's causing them. This might involve confronting fears, resolving conflicts, or reducing stress. By identifying and dealing with these issues directly, you can reduce the emotional triggers that lead to these recurring dreams. Reflect on any unresolved problems in your life and take steps to address that. Whether it's through self-reflection, conversation, or even action, practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like self-hypnosis are important here, so you can try the video linked here above here to get into a meditative state before bedtime. This can help to reduce the frequency of recurring dreams. Techniques such as deep breathing methods, meditation, or even progressive muscle relaxation can help to calm the mind and body, leading to a restful night's sleep. Establishing a calming bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to relax and unwind, and the likelihood of recurring dreams can be reduced here. Consider activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music before bedtime helps to improve sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene can significantly impact the quality of your sleep and reduce the occurrence of recurring dreams. So ensure you have a comfortable sleep environment, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and avoid stimulants like caffeine or electronic devices before bedtime. Create a restful and consistent sleep routine that helps your mind to relax and reduce the chance of experiencing recurring dreams. And always try to seek professional help. If recurring dreams are causing significant impact, distressing your daily life, it's useful or helpful to seek professional help. A therapist can assist in exploring the deeper meanings of your dreams and provide strategies to address the underlying issues. Therapy can offer a safe space to discuss your dreams and any other associated anxieties, helping you to find effective ways to cope and reduce their frequency. Methods such as cognitive behavior therapy techniques are very important here. CBT techniques practiced by psychologists can be effective way in managing recurring dreams. This approach involves identifying and changing negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to anxiety and stress. By addressing these patterns, you can reduce the emotional triggers that lead to recurring dreams and promote a more restful sleep. So do consider seeking a CBT therapist. Practice visualization. Visualization techniques or even lucid dreaming practices can help you to gain control over your dreams. While visualizing positive outcomes or becoming aware that you are dreaming, you can change the course of your recurring dreams. Practicing these techniques regularly can help you feel more empowered and less affected by distressing dreams. Managing daytime stress can help to reduce the frequency of recurring dreams. Engage in regular physical activity, practice mindfulness, and ensure that you have time for relaxation hobbies. Reducing overall stress level can lead to a calmer mind at night time, decreasing the likelihood of recurring dreams. Hypnotherapy can help in managing dreams in many ways. Accessing the subconscious mind. Hypnosis allows you to access the depth of your subconscious mind, which can help you to understand the meaning of your dreams. It explores inner narratives. Hypnotherapy can help you to uncover beliefs, traumas, and patterns that influence your waking life. And this means that hypnotherapy can also help you to access deeper layers of your psyche. It helps you to treat sleep disturbances, where self-hypnosis can help you with sleep disturbances like insomnia, nightmares, or even night terrors. Hypnotherapy helps to manage mental health conditions or even pain, chronic pain, and unhealthy habits. Hypnotherapy sessions typically follows the following stages. 1. Induction, where you will relax and focus and ignore distractions. 2. Deepener. You take your relaxation and focus state into a deeper level. Suggestions. Your hypnotherapist uses imaginary or language to create change. And finally, emergence or waking up. You come out of the process smoothly. So recurring dreams can be a fascinating and sometimes unsettling experience. They often stem from unresolved issues, emotional stress, or even trauma, or repressed emotions, life transition, or habitual thoughts. To address recurring dreams, consider addressing underlying issues, practice relaxation techniques, improve sleep hygiene, and seek professional help. Try cognitive behavioral methods, CBT methods, visualization practices, or lucid dreaming to manage daytime stress. Hypnotherapy can be a valuable tool in managing and addressing dreams by accessing the subconscious mind, exploring inner narrative, and maybe sleep disturbances. It also helps to address mental health conditions. So if you're struggling with recurring dreams and want to explore hypnotherapy session, do consider seeking with a trained hypnotherapist. Hypnotherapy can provide a safe and supportive space to look into the subconscious mind and uncover the root causes of your dreams. By addressing these underlying issues, you can reduce the frequency and intensity of these recurring dreams. So till our next video, know the essence of who you are, and bye. Thank you for watching.